So, no doubt by this point you've seen a full in-depth review of the new Perodua Ativa, Perodua's new baby SUV and the poster child for transformation. But now we have something a little different. This is the Ativa H, which is the mid-spec model. But as you can see, it certainly doesn't look it. This car has been spec'd to the gills with Perodua's GearUp optional original accessories. And so today in this video we're going to take a look at what GearUp accessories offer for the new Perodua Ativa. So, to talk about the GearUp accessories, we're going to start on the outside and we're going to go with the most obvious addition here, which is the Blaze body kit. Now, the body kit actually consists of a 5-piece body kit, which is front and rear bumpers, the two side skirts, as well as the spoiler. Now, if I'm honest, the body kit is not really to my liking. I think that it's slightly too aggressive, and you also have these weird daytime running lights down here, which look a bit tacked on, and then you've got these, which have been described as chin hair or teeth, depending on who you ask. I'm not really a fan. Once you go down the side, you'll be able to see the side skirts, which again kind of lower the ride height a little, not the ride height, but it lowers the ground clearance ever so slightly. Those are fine. They do jut out a bit, which means that when you are driving or when you're getting out of the car, you can actually scuff the back of your jeans or your pants on the side skirts. You also get these door visors, which is not part of the body kit. This is the GearUp door visors, as is branded, and those are visory. I've never quite understood the use of them, but if you want them, they're there. And at the back, you get this slightly more prominent spoiler, which I must admit is starting to grow on me a little bit. I didn't think I'd like it, but now that it's here, I kind of don't mind it so much. You also get the rear bumper, which mimics the same sort of like kind of that motif that you saw in the front. You also get these exhausty type things. I'm not sure what they do. You also get these fins, not sure what they do. You also get this bumper protector though. Well, they call it a boot lip protector if I'm not mistaken, which allows you to protect the boot lip. I actually don't have a lot of work to do today because it's all pretty self-explanatory. Now, if we go into the boot, however, you do get a couple of practical additions. So here you get the luggage net, which is less than 100 ringgit. And I think this is actually pretty useful because you can put stuff in here like bags and camera equipment, and it doesn't roll around, which can happen quite a bit when you drive an Ativa because it's so much fun. For more on that, you can check out our full review, which should be in the description below. We also have this luggage tray, which is plastic and easy to clean, and it would be fantastic because you put it in here, you could put wet stuff or dirty stuff in here, you don't actually scuff up the car. It's worth noting, however, that this luggage tray does work with the dual level boot thing, so you're not going to have issues sort of moving the boot up or down depending on how you want to use it, should you want to use it. Now, that's about all there is on the outside and the boot, so let's go and talk about what's on the inside. So, on the inside of the Ativa H GearUp, there are quite a few things for us to point out. For starters, we have these seats. These are polyurethane, but they're weirdly high quality. It feels kind of nice, and it actually wraps around the fabric seat beneath. So, to be honest, if you ruin the seat covers, you can just pull them off and you still have a set of really good seats beneath. Also inside this car are the original GearUp coil mats, which are 140 ringgit, and they are very thick and they certainly look like they will stand the test of time, certainly any abuse that you can throw at it. But as far as I'm concerned, these are all Brightworks additions to an otherwise good-looking and well-equipped car. The Perodua Ativa is incredibly impressive, and it has impressed us over about a week now over 2 models. If you'd like to know more about the Perodua Ativa, check out our full review linked in the description below. And if you'd like to know more about the GearUp package, let us know in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Don't forget to follow us on all of our socials, again, all linked in the description below. We love engagement, so we love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care, stay safe, jangan bodoh.